As you can see on the screen, I'm using multiple YouTube accounts to interact with my video on my main YouTube channel. This will help me to increase engagement of my video, saving my time, and increase the rate of view of my videos. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software we have used to how to increase engagement of your video on YouTube. So here is my software I could using to manage multiple Gmail and YouTube channel. So first is account management. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited account that you want. So next is the policy management. You can choose static policy management, and in here you can add and manage the policy that you have, and you can choose the policy and choose add assign policy to the Gmail account. Okay, so next to how to increase engagement of your video on YouTube, I will go to setting function. Setting is mean you will auto like, auto comment and view the video on your YouTube channel, and you can choose many options about setting video, setting live stream, setting up top comment. So we choose setting video, and next I will select the Gmail account and choose the channel list. Next, I will set the basic configuration. So first is a breakdown time between two actions. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And next, you can choose the setting type. So first, you can choose setting by video, or you can choose setting short, and you can choose setting by keyword, channel, or link. If you setting by keyword, you can enter the keyword, and the software will auto search the keyword that you enter, and will go to setting that video. Or you can setting by channel, and you will enter the channel link in here. And by the link, you can enter the link of the video that you want to setting. Next, you can choose watch video, yes or not, and the time you will watch. And you can choose interact the video, like about live video or dislike video. You can random subscribe, share the channel, or comment to the video, and you can enter the comment that you want to comment in here. And after everything set up, I press start and let the software do the work. So here you can see the software will auto open browser and log into the Gmail account, and will go to the YouTube channel and watch the video, and it will interact with the video that I already set up in the software. Okay, so basically it should show you the software will help you to increase engagement of your video on YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.